Introducing White MakerPly, a durable melamine-faced eucalyptus plywood designed for makers, builders, and creators who want strength and style. With its clean white surface on both sides, MakerPly is as versatile as it is dependable. At its core, MakerPly is built from eucalyptus hardwood, known for its density, durability, and natural resistance to moisture, decay, and pests. Both faces are finished with a high-quality white melamine coating, creating a surface that is scratch-resistant, water-resistant, and easy to clean. Whether you're laser cutting, routing, or building with standard woodworking tools, this material is ready to work with you. No sanding, no painting, no sealing required. The white finish is built in and long-lasting. MakerPly is perfect for cabinetry, shelving, desks, closets, signage, and furniture projects. It gives you the durability of hardwood plywood with a modern, professional finish. The crisp white melamine surface makes your projects look clean and polished, right off the saw. It's a favorite in workshops, classrooms, and maker spaces where consistency and quality matter. Strong, sleek, reliable. That's what makes White MakerPly stand out. Discover what you can build with White MakerPly, available now at makerstock.com.